What is up, guys? So today is May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo. I am going to show you guys a quick way today to save some pesos so you can go ahead and get that tableside guacamole you've been wanting. All right, let's dive in. All right, guys, so if you're looking at the calendar, it is the 5th, and today's topic is quick tips. My quick tip for you is if you go to the big box stores and you ask anybody in the lumber department, they generally have scrap cutoffs. Um, they have like, I know Menards has like a 3 foot and under, and then a 3 foot and over. Sometimes it's just crappy pine with a ton of knots or busted up, but every now and then I find some real gems there. I know just recently I got 50 like 1x6 all under 2 foot boards of cedar from Menards. I think they were like 80 cents or something like that. So yeah, it was a crazy hit. I probably will never find something like that again, but I do find a lot of good pieces of pine in there, especially if you're a scroll sawyer. Most of my letters come off of that kind of wood. If I'm building a flag, I always go get like the premium grade uh, lumber, but I for like cutting out letters, it doesn't have to be premium. You can size that letter around some knots in a board. I do it all the time, and they come out fine. So that's my quick tip for you guys. It's time to go eat some tacos, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. So do not get to work today. Go eat tacos.